Most people see a fence as a wall. A senior designer sees it as a structural anchor for a private world. Today, we are performing material alchemy to turn your exposed yards into breathtaking sanctuaries. We are revealing the structural logic behind invisible boundaries and functional layouts. We've turned budget materials into architectural privacy and flat lawns into a series of luminous nooks. If you're ready to see how logic creates a soul for your garden, your home, I'm Beki. And this is the Privacy Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. On Tuesday, we looked at the illusion of space. But today, we are getting into the structural logic of how that space actually works. In 2026, the ultimate luxury is a private retreat that costs nothing but your creativity. We are taking the humble wood fence and the forgotten corner and giving them dimensional integrity. Today, we aren't just sprucing up for spring. We are engineering sustainable luxury. Let's step into the logic. The Privacy Revelation. Engineering the soul of the sanctuary. 1. The philosophy of the private retreat. In the world of Beki Decor, privacy isn't just about security. It's about atmospheric curation. A yard without boundaries is just a plot of land. A yard with structural logic is a breathtaking sanctuary. In 2026, we don't build walls to keep people out. We build invisible boundaries to keep our peace in. Having privacy makes your outdoor space feel comfortable and relaxing. It allows you to hang out without worrying about prying eyes or the fishbowl effect of modern urban density. This is the first step of material alchemy, recognizing that a private little retreat is a basic human need, not an elective luxury. We are moving away from standard, monotonous panels and into privacy wood fence designs that feature unique patterns, horizontal rhythms, and organic curves. By complementing your home's existing architecture while increasing its curb appeal, we turn a boundary into a statement. We are defining the edge of your world with beauty, ensuring that your property line is the beginning of your peace, not the end of your freedom. A fence should not feel like a cage. It should feel like the curated frame of a masterpiece. Two. Engineering the garden nook. Many of you have often overlooked corners in your backyard. Those awkward, triangular spaces where the mower doesn't fit and the weeds thrive. To a senior designer, these aren't awkward angles. They are opportunities for vertical artistry. We use DIY backyard corner garden ideas to turn these spots into architectural anchors. A garden nook doesn't require a massive budget or a team of contractors. It requires structural logic. Whether it's a hanging chair suspended from a reclaimed beam, a stone fire pit, or a dedicated Zen garden, the goal is to create a personal retreat within your larger yard. By using simple materials like weathered scrap wood and smart zoning, we transform a forgotten spot into a high-definition focal point. This creates infinite volume because it gives the eye a destination within the yard. When the eye stops to admire a cozy reading corner, the perceived depth of the garden doubles. We are making the entire property feel larger and more purposeful by treating every corner as a curated micro-sanctuary. It's about the intimacy of the small space within the expanse of the outdoors. 3. The logic of edging and walkways. To achieve luminous integrity, you must have crisp, intentional lines. This is where easy yard divider ideas for privacy and easy lawn edging ideas converge. Edging is honestly one of the quickest ways to keep your yard looking sharp and organized. It provides the visual punctuation that a garden needs to feel finished. It splits the garden beds from the grass, keeping those pesky weeds at bay while making your landscaping pop with a professional, sharp sheen. In 2026, we see edging as the frame of our material alchemy. It provides a nice finish that makes the yard feel put together and intentional rather than accidental. When you combine these crisp lines with beautiful walkway ideas, from rustic stone paths that crunch underfoot to sleek, modern concrete designs, you are engineering a sense of movement. A walkway isn't just a path to get from point A to point B. It's a structural logic tool that guides the soul through your sanctuary. It dictates the pace at which you experience your garden, forcing you to slow down and breathe. The path is the narrative of your landscape. 4. Budget gazebos and shade engineering. Spending time outdoors is the ultimate form of relaxation, but in our changing climate, too much direct sun can make a space feel hostile and uncomfortable. In the logic of sustainable luxury, we don't just buy a flimsy plastic umbrella that will blow over in the first spring storm. We build a budget gazebo. I've gathered the best DIY budget gazebo design ideas to show you that a custom, permanent retreat doesn't have to break the bank. A gazebo provides a dedicated spot to entertain guests or simply enjoy the rustle of the trees in a shaded, protected environment. It acts as the geometric skeleton of your backyard, providing a vertical center of gravity for the entire design. By adding creative shade solutions, you ensure you can use your outdoor space more often, transforming it from a fair weather spot into a year-round extension of your home. This is the logic revelation. We use structure to fight the elements, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere regardless of the sun's intensity. It's about taking simple supplies, posts, rafters, and fabric, and giving them tactile integrity through careful planning and effort. We aren't just building a roof, we are anchoring a feeling. 5. Spring transition. Interior and exterior alchemy. As the weather warms and the first buds appear, we bring that breathtaking energy from the garden into the home. Spring garden DIY projects, like creative plant markers, reclaimed container gardens, or tiered herb racks, are the bridge between the wild and the domestic. But we don't stop at the back door. In 2026, we use spring decorating ideas to refresh the interior, mixing natural elements like light woods and linen with modern style choices. Simple, budget-friendly changes, like a beautiful spring centerpiece using seasonal flowers and simple glass containers, transform the atmosphere of a dining room into a welcoming focal point. This is the ultimate act of material alchemy, blurring the lines between your backyard oasis and your living room. We are creating a seamless environment where the peace you feel under your gazebo follows you to the dinner table. It is an ecosystem of tranquility that breathes with the season, ensuring that the outside in philosophy isn't just a trend, but a lifestyle. 6. Functional layouts. the senior designer strategy. Finally, we must address the functional backyard layout ideas. Transforming a backyard is a journey of arrangement. Whether you are adding a patio or setting up a secluded seating area, the layout is the DNA of the space. Exploring different layout ideas helps you figure out what will actually work for your daily life. Do you need a space for family play, or a silent zone for meditation? By applying structural logic, we can achieve both without conflict. We use zoning to separate the loud areas from the quiet nooks, using our yard dividers and plantings as soft walls. This ensures that your luminous oasis is as useful as it is beautiful. We aren't just moving furniture, we are engineering a lifestyle. We create spaces that anticipate your needs, a place for the morning coffee. 7. Reclaiming the overlooked corner potentials. Let's dive deeper into those corner projects. Most people see a corner and think, storage. They put the shed there, or the trash cans. But a mindful creator sees a corner as a cocoon. By installing a privacy wood fence design that wraps around that corner with a specific pattern, you change the acoustics of the space. You create a sound trap for the wind in the trees and a visual block for the street noise. These DIY backyard corner garden ideas are the most cost-effective way to add value to your property. By planting heavy perennials and installing a simple, low-cost bench, you've created a destination. You've turned a 90-degree angle into a 360-degree experience. This is the heart of Material Alchemy, finding the gold in the useless angles of your life. 8. The final act. Creating the oasis atmosphere. As we finalize these structures, we must consider the lighting, the luminous integrity. In 2026, we don't use harsh floodlights. We use shadow architecture. We hide small, solar-powered LEDs within our lawn edging and behind our yard dividers. This creates a glow that comes from within the garden itself, rather than from above. It makes the infinite volume of the night feel warm and safe. When you sit in your gazebo at dusk, surrounded by the crisp lines of your edging and the soft rustle of your corner garden, you realize that you haven't just built a yard. You've built a sanctuary. You've performed the ultimate act of structural logic. You've engineered happiness. Thank you for joining me in this privacy revelation. My prayer for you today is that you stop seeing your yard as an exposed or awkward space, and start seeing it as a canvas for infinite volume. Whether you are building a budget gazebo, installing a wood fence with a unique curve, or simply edging your lawn to create that crisp, professional line, remember that structural logic is the key to your peace. If you've created a new garden nook this week or tackled a DIY shade project, tell me about it in the comments. I love seeing your inspired sanctuaries and hearing how you've reclaimed your corners. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our journey, and I'll see you this Sunday for the grand reveal, where all these pieces come together in a cinematic symphony of light and wood. Stay grounded, stay creative, and keep finding the magic in the materials. Remember, your home is a living reflection of your inner boundaries. Don't be afraid to create your own shade, to define your own lines, and to build an inspired outdoor area that breathes with you. Use your hands, honor the wood, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.